Hey friends, this is my Keurig coffee machine, and these are active coffee maker cleaning tablets. And I'm gonna tell you, these things make the job of actually cleaning this properly a snap. Now, cleaning this thing, obviously on the outside, no problem. On the inside, running water over some things, that helps a lot. But honestly, what happens is all of the coffee grounds work their way through the system. All the oils stick on there that traditional just rinsing can't really remove properly. That's where these guys come into play. Now, each of the 24 tablets that's included in this packet will descale, deodorize, refresh, and protect. Now, each of these tablets is individually wrapped, and you even get a nice little thank you card from the company, which is an extra little special touch. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use each of these tablets to clean a Keurig machine. Now, these can also be used in your traditional coffee pot method of making coffee. So they really are diverse. Let's go ahead and get started cleaning this guy. So first things first, we need to fill up our reservoir all the way up to the max line with some water. We'll then put our reservoir back onto the machine, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop in one of these tablets right into the reservoir. Now you can see it's starting to fizz up and release all of that cleaner into your reservoir. We're gonna actually let that fully dissolve. Now, because the tablet's in here, the cleaner has mixed with all of that water, and we now have a cleaning solution that's gonna be filtered up through the machine. So we need to get a mug that we can definitely wash afterwards, and we need to run 2 brewing cycles. I'll go ahead and hit the power on the largest cycle. So the largest cup size, we're gonna go ahead and do 2 full brewing cycles using this cleaner water. Now, in case you're wondering what exactly is running through your system, these are the ingredients. So let's go ahead and lift this lid. We'll take out our little reusable K-cup. Again, we'll make sure this is empty so they can just run straight through. And then we can go ahead and use this setting to dispense hot water. I'm gonna choose the largest setting for us. For us, it's gonna be the 12 ounce. And let's go ahead and hit that power button. Okay, we're finished with our first brew cycle. I'm gonna dispose of this water. Again, remember it has some of that cleaner in there. And then let's go ahead and run one more cycle. Okay, second brew cycle. Again, we'll punch it up to our highest and hit that power button. Okay, our second cup is complete. Let's dispose of this water. And then we are going to change out the water in the reservoir. Again, 2 full cycles with the cleaning solution. We'll take this out, we'll dispose of this water, and we'll refill it back up to the max line. Now, I'm actually gonna thoroughly rinse this out as well before I give it another max refill. Again, I just wanna make sure any remaining residue is completely gone from this reservoir. Okay, when things are properly rinsed, I'm gonna go ahead and fill back up to that max line. Okay, now don't use this for a normal brew just yet, because we're gonna have to run 2 more cycles, just like we did, only with the clean fresh water now. And again, what that's doing is it's pushing all that fresh water through to make sure any residual cleaner water is then pushed through the system and cleansed from all of the internal parts. And again, we'll walk through this exact same process 2 more times. Don't forget to dispose of the water after each cycle. Okay, now at this point, we're ready to run our normal brew cycle for a drinkable cup of coffee. Now, a little bit of a downside is that this process does take a little bit of time. You have to run those 4 cycles, changing out the water. But the company says that if you do this twice a month, again, everything remains fresh, clean, and just one of these packets is going to offer you twice a month for an entire year. So this is a 1-year supply. Definitely a great little product. Makes the cleaning process easier, keeps things nice and fresh. Thumbs up from us. Hope that's helped make your buying decision just a little bit easier. If it has, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned, we're making a ton more of these little DIY tutorial videos and product videos to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you on the next one.